What's up, YouTube? Me and Elias on the sky lift here in Mount Lemmon, Tucson, Arizona.
Kind of scared, but...
Are you? Let's see if we can see them behind us. No? I don't see them.
I can see them, but they're not on the thing.
But yeah, check out this scenery.
That's not funny, guys.
This is cool. This thing in the winter, people ride this to get up to the top to go skiing. They go skiing down this mountain. There's another one on that side. See it?
A bear?
No, another ski lift. See it?
Oh, yeah.
A bear. No bears.
No, the teddy bear. Oh, it's broken.
So peaceful and quiet.
If you guys haven't seen my channel, go check it out in the link in the description down below. Yeah.
I thought this is the top, but look at how much more there is.
Oh my
It's good.
Very good. You can lift that bar up whenever you're ready.
Top of the mountain. Just took the sky lift or ski lift up to the top. Walking around, checking out the scenery. Look at this view.
What's up? I'm back again. Guys, I'm filming too.
Got my son down here filming for his channel. Got the family back there somewhere.
No way back there.
Way back there.
Look at that. So this is just kind of like a trip.
See these towers? We can see them from
Beautiful.
way down
Clouds.
on the other side of the mountains.
That cloud.
But we made it. There's the city of Tucson, way beyond the mountains. That's where we came from.
And we got here and we're lost. No, I'm just kidding.
Taking the sky lift back down.
The teddy!
Teddy's in front of us. Got the fam behind us. Somewhere. Family. And off we go. Ride is starting to come to an end. Got the family still back there behind us.
Mom, Shanty, pizza.
We were first, so we'll be hopping off here in a minute.
Teddy!
How was your ride?
That's good. Nice and peaceful.
You can go ahead and raise that bar up now.
All right.
Teddy!
And when you get to the arrows, you top off and to your side.
All right, you go that way, Elias. Awesome.
You guys enjoy the rest of your day.
Oh, thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Just a little bit, but I finally got my line.
Check out this view. chance. Slice. Trying to get to the top up here. This is crazy. Look at this view. Come on, this way. Holy cow, look at this.
How you put it on?
Where's the lights?
Lights.
Go around that way, there's cactus. Come down this way, be careful of the cactus.
Oh, that's not going.
Whoo! Holy cow! Holy cow!
Guys, not that way, not that way. This way. Why would you try to go that way? He's coming with you.
Look at that little crack right in there. You don't want to
Wait,
fall in there.
Dad, take a picture of this.
Up in Mount Lemmon. Walking on top of the mountain. Holy shit, it's hot.
He said it's 100 here.
Feels like it.